You want to watch loads of really cool Japanese dramas and movies, but the selection on Netflix outside of Japan is poor, and other sites you find all have bothersome English subtitles. Today I'll introduce some sites, channels and techniques to watch drama and movies for free, even on YouTube. The first recommendation is through official Japanese broadcasting channels' YouTube channels. It seems that viewing of videos can be done regardless of location. The best one I've found so far is DTV. The next recommendation is to search for Japanese dramas in other languages. If you search in English, you'll probably end up with English subs, and this is also common when searching for dramas in Japanese. Since the search terms aren't complicated, Google Translate has an easy job of giving you Japanese drama in Korean, Chinese, or whichever other language you feel like. The show will still be in Japanese, so the little lines of text at the bottom, when you can't understand it, are very easy to ignore. When you see a series uploaded in an unknown language, the only thing you really need to look out for is for the number indicating the episode count. Using those searches is great, but I would like to recommend some channels to get you started which has entire series grouped into playlists. Movies are actually the easiest to find. Even searching in Japanese gets good results on YouTube. Finally, recently taken off of YouTube is one of the best series I've come across recently, VOS. The 10 episodes are all on this Korean website, but it's very easy to navigate, and I have linked the first episode along with all the other channels and videos I've mentioned in the description. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if it was of any help to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content involving language, literature and art.